You put the entire wealth of this universe on one side. It cannot match. It cannot match. Is it real? My son, this is the only real wealth in this world. Everything else is an illusion, Maya.
Hey, Pandit. Where can I find this boys?
What? You want to find them?
Where can I find these boys? Look, I'm serious.
But you can't find them.
And there is enough for both of us. As soon as I find the loot, I'll come back to share with you.
But I can't find them. Look!
I'm serious. You speak the truth. Where can I find these boys?
Go northwards. Keep walking. Keep walking. Till you reach this beautiful village. Green pastures, kadamba trees, and a flowing river. Beautiful mountains and chirping birds. There you will find these two small boys dancing. Baku Bhagat, then you can be rest assured you are in the right place.
Pandit, I'll find them. I'll come back.
Go.
I'll come back.
Go. Oh, what a mad man.
Pandit ji! Anand bhayo, Pandit ji, Anand bhayo. The Krishna Balram Katha was very, very wonderful, Pandit ji.
Hare, the Khatha may have been wonderful, Madhav Prasad ji. But this crazy fellow, he wants to meet them. He wants to steal their wealth.
Whom are you talking about, Pandit ji?
Hare, this Daku Bhagat. Can you imagine? He was threatening me. But I just misguided.
Pandit ji!
Ah.
What did you tell the names were?
Hare, the younger one is Krishna and the elder one is Balram.
Ah, the one is bluish and the other is whitish.
Yes,
Yellow garments.
yes,
Bluish garments.
yes,
Peacock feather.
yes,
And the decorating ornaments. And the dancing.
yes,
The dancing.
yes.
I'll find her. I'll come back.
Go.
I'll come back.
Go.
I'll come
Pandit ji,
Yes.
what if Daku Bhagat comes again tomorrow?
Ha! He has a lot of faith in me. If he comes back again, I'll misguide him once again. Huh? And anyway, this will take him 2 or 3 days. And by then, I'll be gone out of this village. Huh?
Huh?
Krishna. Balram. Younger one is Krishna, elder one is Balram. Krishna is bluish in color. And elder one, Balram, is whitish. Krishna has a peacock feather, and they're decorated. Ornaments, necklaces, jewels, anklets, turban, pearls, gems. I'll find them. I'll go. I'll walk northward. Same direction. This direction. Right. I'll walk. No more stealing. Let me grab them. I'll find them. I'll find Krishna, Balram, Krishna, Balram. Yes, run. Oh, loose.
Looks like
Hey! What's your name? What's your name?
चोरी वाला सिर्फ कछु काम नहीं आज कौन झगड़ा धरे
Hey!
अरे क्या हुआ भौजाई इतना क्यों चिल्लावत हो?
फुलमती listen let's go and call Sarpanch let's go
कौन हो बाबू? जो यार तड़के तड़के जम गए हो? Who are you? Where have you come from? What do you want?
I'm looking out for a coward boy.
In this village? Yes, in this village. This is it. What does he look like? He's bluish and decorated with ornaments, jewels. Ornaments? Ornaments. Two boys. Young and a brother. Bluish? Ornaments? ये गांव मां चूल्हे में चूहा कबड्डी खेलत है We are really poor people. There is nobody like this in this village. You must have come to the wrong village.
No, the Pandit will not lie to me. No. The description he gave me fits in very well to this village. It is this village. That's it. Mountains, forest, river, pasture, cows.
Chappad Ganju.
Hey, are you sure? Are you sure that there is no boy like this? There's no boy like this in this village? No one. Hey,
A boy like this in this village?
फूफो की टोली। गाय के घुंघरू ठुन ठुन बोले, गाय के घुंघरू ठुन ठुन बोले, कान्हा का मन, ए कान्हा का मन, कान्हा का मन खुशी से डोले।
काले ने यमुना कालिया सुरारी।
Stop it! Come here. Come here. Stop right there. Stop right there. Now, very carefully remove each and every jewel from your body. Hand it over to me.
Why? We should give you arguments.
Stop it!
Not give.
You will not give your jewels? Can't you see this lathi?
Lathi? What is Lathi will do?
What this lathi will do? This lathi will help me break your head into pieces.
No!
Hey!
Please, Daddy! I'm
Hey! One tight slap across your face and you'll collapse. And I'll snatch each and every jewel from your body and throw you to the ground. Hey! Hey! Stop! Hey! 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 Stop it! No! Hey! 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 Who are you? Hey! What's happening? Why I'm losing my strength? I'm feeling weak. I've not seen such beautiful children before. Hey. Hey. Who are you? You are not humans. Tell me, who are you? Stop it! Say, who are you?
We are coward boys. We are children of Nanda Maharaj, the king of Vrindavan.
Govi! Govi! My heart is content. My desires are fulfilled. I don't want your jewels. And I feel like decorating you with more jewels.
You want to give us more jewels? Or steal our jewels and beat us?
I will not beat you.
Then, why are you carrying that lathi?
Listen. I promise you 100 times that I will not beat you.
You sure? You promise?
I promise. Why should anyone harm any beautiful children like you? Now, Govi, I don't want your jewels. Please go away.
But we want to give you our jewels.
Hey. You want to give your jewels? I don't want your jewels. I have no desire. I don't want anything.
You may not have desire, but we want to give you.
I don't want anything.
But we want to give you.
Okay. I don't want to go against your wish. But are you sure your parents will not scold you? They will not beat you?
Oh, We are Rajkumars. At home, we have much jewels like this. If you want, we can get much more.
Hey, okay. I'll take it. But are you sure that you have much more jewels back home?
Yes, of course.
All right. Then tie up the jewels in this cloth. Hey. Hey. Are you sure you're not going against your wish? My desire is to just keep on watching the beautiful fall.